Hello everyone, this is Misty Spears, and today I will be showing you the next step in the Kindle book publishing process, and that is taking our mind map that we created in the previous video using NovaMind and importing it into the Scrivener software, which is the Kindle formatting software that we're going to use to actually write our book and get it in a Kindle Mobi format. So to start doing this, we are going to first export our mind map by opening it up and then going over here to the File tab, hitting Export, and you'll see that mine's already up. And we're going to export as an OPML file. And I'm just going to make a new folder here to put it into. And this one's called the same thing as my mind map, Beginner's Guide to Cold Fusion. Hit Save. It does a little bit of processing here. And that's about it as far as exporting it out. What we're going to do then is we're going to open up Scrivener, which I know you guys haven't seen yet because I haven't done that tutorial yet. But we're going to open it up. We're going to create a new project this time. And we're just going to choose a blank one. And we're going to name it something. You can name it the name of your book or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to save mine in my Documents folder. And under that, I'm going to put a folder in there called Demo Book. And I'm going to select that folder. I named it Demo. And we're going to hit Create. And as you can see now, we've got a nice blank screen here. Nothing. And you can go ahead and type, but we're not going to do that. We're going to actually import our mind map so you can see how the outlines are made. Alright, so I'm going to highlight the draft folder up here so that my book comes in right underneath it. And we're going to go to File, Import. We're going to import the OPML or mind map file, which is the file format that NovaMind exports in. Go grab it over here. And there it is right there. Hit Open. I'm just going to import in the titles only. So I'm going to hit OK. And you'll see there's my book along with each section and all the subsections. And some of our subsections had other subsections. Those are there too. You're going to notice that you see all of the headings that I had in my mind map, and they're now in here. In each section, expand it a little bit so you can see. There's my what is programming, there's my introduction, who am I, who is this book for, further help. And again, if I move it out of the way, get rid of that one, you can see the introduction right here matches the introduction right here. But in fact, everything is over here now. So it makes it really easy to create your outline. Okay, so now we have this outline that was generated from our mind map, and this is a great starting place to be in when you're writing your book. The structure gives you a skeleton type of framework for your book, and you can start in any section and just start writing. You'll notice at the top of the screen, right around here, there are some basic formatting functions just like you might see in any other word processor, like changing your font face, your size, bold, italics, things like that. I'm sure you've used those before, so I won't go into detail about that other than just to let you know that they're there. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that next to each of these topics, there's a blank document type of icon, except this one right here. I went ahead and added some text in the Who is this book section, just so you can see how it changes. The icon, because it has text in it, now changes to a text icon. This is really useful when you want to see what you've already worked on, what you need to go back to, that kind of thing. In the next video, I'm going to go over some other useful functions in Scrivener that will help you with your writing, including some more advanced formatting techniques like adding images, adding notes to help you along your way, text formatting, things like that. For now, feel free to explore the menus and get to know the software a bit if you'd like. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.